Your four-wheel drive system allows you the option of selecting among 3 driving positions based on road conditions. These four-wheel drive shift switches electronically control operation of the transfer case. Push these switches to shift between each mode: Auto, 4 high, and 4 low. Auto is for normal driving conditions, typically for dry, paved roads. In four-wheel drive, 4 high provides greater traction for rocky, snowy, and sandy roads. 4 high can be used up to, but no higher than 62 miles per hour. 4 low provides maximum power and traction for situations such as driving on steep grades or on rocky, sandy, or muddy roads. The maximum safe speed in 4 low is 31 miles per hour. You can shift into 4 high while driving at no more than 62 miles an hour. However, to shift into or out of 4 low, your vehicle must be at a standstill and in the neutral position. While depressing the brake pedal, push this switch to shift into 4 low. This is the four-wheel drive shift indicator light. When the engine is running, it will illuminate to show the driving position you have selected. To avoid causing damage to your four-wheel drive system, never shift between 4 low and 4 high while driving. Also, do not drive on dry, hard surface roads in 4 high or 4 low, as it will cause unnecessary noise, excessive tire wear, and increased fuel consumption. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.